My name is Eric Jessup. I'm a research professor here at Washington State University in the School of Economic Sciences. I'm also the Associate Director for Pac Trans for research activities here at Washington State. And I'm also the Director of the Freight Policy Transportation Institute. My role with Pac Trans is the Associate Director here at Washington State University, and the Associate Directors at each consortium university, they're in charge with coordinating all the research activities that occur at those universities. And so as such, we are involved in generally three types of research projects: those that are multi-institutional projects that span across different institutions, those that are unique to the institution that are basically single PI type research projects, and then there are those that are also collaborative in the sense that they span all of the different consortium universities that are focused upon outreach and education. So those are the activities that, as the Associate Director, that I help coordinate here at Washington State University. So the Region 10 Transportation Center, like all the transportation centers, must compete for their funding every time there's a new transportation bill, which is about every 5 years, 4 to 5 years. And Pac Trans has been very successful at continuing that funding stream because of the research ideas and the focal areas that they put forward. I think also it's reflective of the fact that we have very outstanding faculty at each of our consortium universities, at Oregon State, at Alaska, at the University of Idaho, at the University of Washington, and here at WSU, that all participate and collaborate in a very efficient and productive way. So I think that speaks well to Pac Trans relative to other transportation centers. So the Pac Trans Region 10 Transportation Center is one of several transportation centers across the U.S. Each of them specialize in different areas. The Pac Trans is primarily focused upon mobility. Because of each of these regions, they have kind of unique environmental circumstances. They're certainly unique in terms of like their transportation movements, and so the needs, the research needs, vary depending upon where that transportation center is focused. Here in the Pacific Northwest, we have a tremendous amount of growth over on the I-5 corridor in Seattle, Portland, and those areas. But that area is also a primary gateway for a lot of freight movements that are coming into the U.S. and going out of the U.S. And so the transportation needs and the research needs are very unique to the Pacific Northwest. And so the kind of the policy implications from the type of research that are being done with Pac Trans are related to investments in different types of infrastructure, different types of technology, and different types of managing that transportation system to optimize our consumer welfare.